Welcome to our installation guide of the all-deck telescopic handrail system. There are two base post systems. One has upper and lower rail loops, and the other has rail loops to the front and back of one another. Each system has advantages in different applications on building sites. Step 1. Position the first base post into desired location, no more than 600 mm from a corner, wall or column, and fix the structure using M8 by 60 mm long screw bolts as a minimum requirement. For posts 1.1 meter high, a minimum of 2 M8 by 60 mm screw bolts per post are required in a diagonal layout. For posts above 1.1 meter high, a minimum of 3 screw bolts are required, with 2 being required on the inside of the post. When fixing shade cloth or debris mesh to the handrail system, 4 M8 screw bolts by 60 mm long are required. Step 2. Position the next base post in the desired location, no more than 3 meters apart. For upper and lower rail loops, install rails placing them consistently down the base posts in either the upper or lower rail loop location for any one segment. It is important that each rail is placed in the corresponding upper or lower rail loop. For front and back rail loops, install consistently down the base posts in either the front or back rail loop location for any one segment. It is important that each rail is placed in the corresponding front or back rail loop. In both cases, lock the rails into position using the lock bolt supplied in each rail loop. Rails may not exceed 600 mm overhang from the posts, and when installing at corners, the rail should overlap or at least meet. Step 3. Position the next post in the desired location, no more than 3 meters apart. Install the rails, placing them consistently down the base posts in alternative rail loops than the preceding segment of rails. Repeat these 3 steps until the entire area you require has handrails installed. Step 4. Attach the kickboard to the kickboard plate using screws. If the kickboards overlap at a point other than the base post, there should be a minimum of 100 mm overlap, with a minimum of 2 screws installed in the overlap to hold the kickboards together. Installing the extension posts. Place the extension post into the base post. Lock into place using the locking bolts provided in the base post. A through bolt is provided in each base post to prevent the extension post from collapsing into the base post. This bolt needs to be moved to a higher location if the handrail is extended above 2 meters high. For rails above 2 meters, place the detachable rail bracket into the extension post. Space evenly between the rail loops. Lock detachable rail bracket into position with lock bolts supplied. The gap between the rails must not exceed 450 mm. Additional information. Test certificates verify that the base post can be used as a fall arrest anchor point. Our system is fully engineered to incorporate the use of debris mesh or shade cloth. Structural design certificates relating to the installation of debris mesh and shade cloth are available upon request. Always refer to installation guides available on our website to ensure the correct installation of the systems. As you can see, the telescopic handrail is easy to install and provides a unique solution to the risks associated with workers operating near the live edge of a building. Thank you for watching our installation guide. For more information about the installation process, please visit alldeck.com.au or call 039465 1122.